Here's how you can check if an AirTag is tracking you. Start by swiping over on your iPhone to open the app library, then search for the Find My app and open it. The Find My app allows you to track your own devices and receive alerts if someone's AirTag is tracking you. At the bottom, tap on Items, and you'll see all the devices and AirTags you're connected to. There's one tracking you. You can either tap Identify Found Item, which will search for nearby AirTags, or tap the plus icon and choose Add AirTag to search for any that may be hidden in your surroundings. If neither of these methods find anything, don't worry, this doesn't mean there isn't one nearby. To further check, tap on Me in the bottom right corner, then scroll down to customize tracking notifications. Make sure this option is turned on, as it will alert you if an unknown AirTag is moving with you. Once it's enabled, you'll receive a notification if there's an AirTag following you. Tapping on the notification will show a screen with the option to play sound, which will make the AirTag emit a sound so you can locate it. You can also use the Find Nearby feature, which will guide you to the AirTag's location with directions. If you find the AirTag, you can pause the tracking notifications, remove it, or even factory reset it. Doing a factory reset will disconnect the AirTag from its original owner, preventing them from tracking you. I hope this was helpful. If it was, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below. It really supports me. Thanks for watching.